Hi guys, welcome to Oyatsu. This time we're unboxing the January edition. It's been a while. I had a little issue with Oyatsu in general, but that's now sorted. So, what is the Oyatsu Box? The Oyatsu Box is a box of goodies that you get sent through your door each month, and it has the gashi or sweets from Japan, which are only found in Japan. So most of the time it's like edible sneaks, you'll get a few snacks and you might get a little treat here and there. It is available on the Oyatsu Cafe or Oyatsu Box. Oyatsu Cafe as well will allow you to buy separate bits. The cafe will allow you to do a subscription. It's now gone up to $28-ish, $29, about that price. If you are already subscribed, your price isn't affected. So that is that. Also, good timing. I will try and link here. The Gashi Takahashi, the second season, is now airing. Each episode is only 7 minutes long. You have no excuse not to watch it. It is an anime about sweets. Minus all that fan service, but it is about sweets. Somewhere in there, it is about sweets. So, let's begin. So, it's been a while. Oyatsu Box. I was hoping it would tell me what one I have, but I am going to presume this is my January box. So, I didn't have a December box. That's why I'm a little bit confused of what we're in. So you normally get a little leaflet like this, which will basically tell you what you got. We've got pouches this month. That's quite cool. So let's just get moving. Moving. Okay, got cider. I saw the word cider, so we'll jump straight to cider. So I'm hoping if you have this box, you are not a minor and you can actually drink, because I think this actually is cider. So this is a Japanese Mitsuya cider. It's been sold for decades. It's known for its unique taste and fizziness. Presuming there's cider in here. The fun thing about cider is, and drinks in general in Japan, they sell them at like convenience stores in tiny bottles like this. So I guess if you want to pre-drink, drink before going anywhere, you can have one. I am going to settle and say I think it is cider, but I don't know. I'll have to have a little research into that, but whether it is, I don't mind cider. Cider is good. So I've had these before. This is rice puffs. So, as you can see, you always get like cute little figures on your food. So these are rice puffs. Let's see what flavour they are. These are, that's sweet popped rice. Yeah, I don't think it has a flavour. I was going to say, I think it's like rice flavour. So I guess it's like eating Rice Krispies, which is, you know, self-explanatory. Next up, oh, I've had this before. This is candy floss. So I'll show you. I think it's pudding flavour. So this guy here is a pudding. This is cotton candy flavour. It's different. It's got different flavours, but I think this is pudding flavour. So in Japan, they have like these like the cream puddings with like a toffee syrup on them. They're quite cool. They're like a yogurt. Over here, I think you can buy them as yogurt, so that's quite cool. So candy floss, can't go wrong. Rice cake. So if I had that there, this is senbai, right? This is indeed some senbai. So this is bonki senbai, a salty rice cake, and this is pretty much bigger. You can buy them in like crisp size normally. They're like tiny little biscuits, but rice cake is rice cake. It's a little bit like Cracker Jacks, or what are they called? I think it is Snacker Jacks. Snacker Jacks. You get like a big rice puff kind of thing, and they're really, really cool. So yeah, great. Oh, I like that. Whenever you see that sign, you know you're in for a treat. So, I don't know. I always wondered where, there we are. I think that's focused for us. There we go. Cool. Okay, so this is just the sour lemon to make your face pucker up like that. I like sour sweets, so this is going to be a challenge because I don't find a great deal of things actually sour. So, we'll see. We will see. Okay, curry flavour crisps. So, there you go. So, what you might notice as well is candy in Japan and the gashi, it involves things like sweets, crisps and stuff as well. So it's a bit weird that it covers everything. These are senbai. These are rice cracker flavour, and they're curry flavour rice crackers. There we go. So again, love curry. A lot of this is rice based, quite cool. That looks like Gorgonzola. That's like Gorgonzola. I swear that's like brie in it. Stilton. Okay, so these are smelly crisps. Smelly crisps. These are a new rich pizza potato. So these are a new flavour of pizza flavoured chips with big cheeses. So there's a lot of cheese in here. You've got mozzarella, cheddar, Emmental and Gorgonzola. I know exactly who I'm giving these to because I accidentally got hold, and they snuck Stilton into my food and I thought I would notice. I hate Stilton. It's disgusting. So I know exactly who I'm giving these to, which is quite cool. And there's like a little thing on the back for winning something. I don't think that applies to me and me over here though. I know exactly what that is. Hey! This is Splatoon. Okay, so you might recognise this game if you play Splatoon. So Splatoon 2. These are seafood flavour ring potatoes. So they're sponsored by Bandai and it's Splatoon. You get that, you will get, can I hold that straight? There we go. You will notice that sometimes occasionally in your boxes you will get things like Pokemon or Mario Kart. So sometimes they're sponsored by a game if a game's coming out. And last year there was a Monster Hunter when Monster Hunter 2 was coming out. This is Black Thunder. I don't even need to look. This is a biscuit. Inside you have a crisp and a chocolate crisp inside. So it's a bit like Rocky Road without the fruit or anything. So they're quite nice. You can get this at Japan Centre in the UK as well in varying forms. And last but not least, we've got Tyrrell chocolate. Although I thought the Tyrrell was in Austria. So yeah, it's just an original brand. And it's their very first. This is their very first product, a sweet dark milk chocolate. So I'm looking forward to that. I want to know how dark is though. I don't know if it says how many percent the chocolate is. Cool. So this is this box. I've been really quick this time. So next month is going to be fun because I think they're doing a new formula. So you'll get a bag of sweets as well. So let's quickly get this. I think this is a purse. There we go. Yeah. So you get a little coin purse, and mine is the milk. I think I've got milk flavour. So I've got, yeah, milk strawberry. I have milk. So in Japan, gacha and like surprise machines are a really big thing. I've got just normal moo moo milk. Moo moo milk. It's a little bag and you can put things in it. Might come in handy at Expo if I want to put something tiny in there, so that's quite cool. So yeah, a little carton of moo moo milk. So cool guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I have a few videos coming up, just if you want to kind of watch out for those, like and subscribe kind of thing. Just kind of say hi. So yeah, cool. Have a good day guys, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.